If you've ever missed a perfect trade because you weren't watching the chart, this is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to set alerts on TradingView, so you never miss key price levels, breakouts, or indicator signals again. Let's get right into it. First, open up your chart on TradingView. You can choose any stock, crypto, or forex pair. It works the same way across everything. Now, there are a few different ways to set alerts, but I'll show you the simplest one first. Move your mouse over to the price level where you want to set the alert. Right-click directly on the chart at that level. From the menu that pops up, click on Add Alert. A new alert window will open. This is where you control everything. At the top, you'll see the condition. By default, it's set to the symbol you're looking at, and usually something like crossing. You can change this depending on what you want. For example, you can set it to crossing up if you want the alert only when price moves upward through a level, or crossing down if you only care about price dropping through that level. Next, you'll see the value. This is the exact price where your alert will trigger. Make sure this number is correct. A small mistake here can trigger alerts at the wrong time. Below that, you'll see options like only once or every time. If you're a beginner, start with only once. It keeps things simple and avoids getting too many repeated notifications. Now look at the expiration. By default, TradingView sets an expiry date. If you don't want your alert to disappear, make sure to extend this or set it far into the future. Next is the alert name. You can rename it to something clear like resistance break or buy zone. This helps a lot once you have multiple alerts running. Under that, you'll see alert actions. Make sure notifications are turned on. You can choose how you get notified. App notification, email, or even a sound alert. If you're using your phone, enabling app notifications is the most useful. Once everything looks good, click Create. And that's it. Your alert is now active. Now let me show you a second method, which is even faster. Instead of right-clicking, you can simply hover over the price scale on the right side of the chart. Click directly on a price level, and you'll instantly create an alert there. This is great when you already know your exact level. One more useful method is setting alerts on indicators. For example, if you're using RSI or moving averages, go to the indicator line itself, right-click on it, and select Add Alert. This allows you to trigger alerts based on conditions like RSI crossing above 30 or below 70. It's a powerful way to automate your analysis. Quick tip here, don't overload your chart with too many alerts. If you set alerts everywhere, they lose their value. Focus only on key levels that actually matter. Also, double-check your time zone and notification settings in TradingView. Sometimes alerts don't feel accurate simply because of a mismatch there. Finally, to manage your alerts, look at the right side panel and open the Alerts tab. From here, you can edit, pause, or delete any alert you've created. That's everything you need to start using alerts properly. If you set these up the right way, you'll save time and catch more opportunities without staring at charts all day. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides like this.